Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update on one of the most recent projects that we're working on. This was a property that we actually assigned to another investor. So that means that we got this property under contract and then we assigned the purchase right to another investor that was looking for off-market opportunities. I would love to just use this as a case study to show you how we can create win-win-win situations for everyone that's involved. The seller, the investor, and we're also talking about us as assignors. So let's go in and take a look. It's purpose-built, a 4-plex, all the meters are property separated, and there's a common meter for the common area. We're currently in one of the basement suites. This is the only unit in the entire 4-plex that's only got one bedroom. It's very versatile as a product in Moncton as a market. We can have single people who are looking for a bachelor pad for themselves. We can target young couples who don't have a family yet. It's pretty outdated, so we definitely love just how straightforward the renovation will be. And that's why when we pitched it to our investor as a wholesale deal, he jumped on it right away. I believe this property was built in the 70s or the 80s. The kitchen was never updated. So what our contractors will usually do is essentially tear out the entire thing and put in new cabinets. We don't really go too crazy with the higher end countertops because it's still just a rental apartment unit and we want the best ROI possible. When it comes to the appliances, it looks to be in really good shape. You got Amana fridge, that's a really good brand, that's Whirlpool. Also with the stovetop, because of the limited space, it's really hard to find a stovetop that's around this size. So for this range, we're likely just gonna keep it. That's how we can really make sure we maximize the ROI and to make sure we respect the client's budget. So we're in the main living room space right now. As you can see, it's pretty dark. This is a basement unit. Thankfully, the windows are actually bigger than the egress side. All the trims as well, you can see these are the original baseboards and the original trims. So we usually invest in the more modern looking ones, the straight ones. The paint as well, usually we go with Sherwin-Williams designer gray to really make it a universally likable color. As we all know, for a BRRRR to work, obviously you need to buy a property with building equity. You need to make sure you have enough of a discount so you can put in a renovation and get it to ARV. So when it comes to bathrooms, to be honest, we only change and modify what adds the most value. So in order to really respect our client's budget, in the bathroom, we're likely gonna keep the tiles around because they seem to be in really good shape. We're likely only going to change the vanity. I really believe, once we change the hardwares, when we change some of the light fixtures and give it a nice paint job, it will really look like a renovated bathroom. Got a decent sized bedroom here. It's perfect. I think this is a really efficient use of this apartment space. Again, the key here is put in the money where it makes the most difference. We're gonna update the hardware such as the door handles and the trims, and we're likely going to install new flooring just to elevate this entire apartment to make it look more modern. All right, so we're back to our 4-plex project. Let's check out how we're able to increase the property value. Some of the most noticeable changes, as you can see, it's a lot brighter. Granted, this is the upstairs unit. This is one of the 2-bedroom units that we recently finished. We put in pot lights everywhere in the common areas. In the bedrooms and in the bathroom, we make sure to put in LED lights. So they're energy efficient, plus they're extremely bright, which is fantastic. And obviously the kitchen, it's fully updated. We got new cabinets, new countertop. We even put in backsplash everywhere. For the electricals, we put in new plates, flooring as well. It totally changes the entire way this apartment looks. There you have it, guys. This is just one of the prime examples of how we're able to help investors, no matter where you're from, to buy your investment property. We have all the contacts that you need that we actually personally work with so we can ensure the success of whatever project that it is that you want to work on. So make sure to join our buyers list. If you see anything coming your way, definitely let us know right away. Can't wait to help you guys out. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below or reach out to us directly. We'll be happy to help you out.